Every mechanical engineer should know this. This video will explain how to drill a simple hole in a rectangular plate. By the end of this video, I shall highlight 4 challenges in creating this simple hole in a rectangular plate. This is something that every mechanical engineer is supposed to know. Before we get started, let me introduce you to Royal Mechanical. Our vision at Royal Mechanical is to provide free job-oriented certification training for mechanical engineers. Like, share, subscribe, and click on the bell icon. Motivate us to offer more courses. There are no products without holes. Airplanes have holes in them, cars have holes in them, and even robots have holes in them. Holes are generally used for assembling parts into products. Let's take a simple example of a rectangular plate of length 100 mm, width 50 mm, and thickness 10 mm. If we have to make a hole in this rectangular plate, how do we make this hole? How to make a hole in this rectangular plate of diameter 10 mm, and, at a distance of 25 mm from the edges. How to make this hole if we have only one plate. How to make this hole if we have hundreds of such plates. Please note that we need the hole's location to be accurate and precise. Now, let me explain the procedure to create a hole in the rectangular plate. To start with, we have the raw material, which is nothing but a rectangular plate. We need to create a hole of diameter 10 mm in the rectangular plate at a distance of 25 mm from the edges. First, mark 25 mm using a tri-square and a scriber. Then scribe a vertical line at a distance of 25 mm from the edge. Now we have a rectangular plate with a scribed vertical line at a distance of 25 mm from the edge. Then again, mark 25 mm using a tri-square and a scriber. Scribe a horizontal line at a distance of 25 mm from the edge. Now we have a rectangular plate with scribed vertical and horizontal lines at a distance of 25 mm from the edges. Punch a center mark using a center punch. Now we have a rectangular plate with a center mark ready for drilling. Hold the rectangular plate in the machine vise present on the drilling machine. Drill a 10 mm diameter hole in the rectangular plate using a drilling machine. Now we have successfully drilled a hole of diameter 10 mm at a distance of 25 mm from the edges. I am sure you have observed that it's a tedious process of marking, scribing, punching, holding, drilling, and releasing. Because of the tedious process, the operator can only make a few parts in a workday, leading to low productivity. Also, the accuracy of the finished product depends on the technician's skill. If we have to make more parts, then the position of the hole in each piece could slightly vary, leading to no repeatability. How to overcome these challenges? How to create accurate and precise holes if we have hundreds of such parts? Don't forget to comment with your answers. Our vision at Royal Mechanical is to provide free job-oriented certification training for mechanical engineers. Like, share, subscribe, and click on the bell icon. Motivate us to offer more courses. Thanks.